Okay, so I was sawing away and my chain popped off because I guess it got loose or whatever, and so I'm trying to put it back on. That's how they should go, right? And slide into the groove, and it wouldn't go in the groove. So look at this, the thing's bouncing off of the... It's kind of weird. Well, apparently when it got out, it chewed up the little lower edges. You see that? So now it's got little burrs. It won't go in. So I'm going to get out the trusty dusty file, smooth them up, get it back on there, and get us back to work. So if you run into that problem, that could be it. Instead of getting a new chain, you can, we got a file, clean them up and see how that goes. Okie dokie. And other than the fact that I got it out of the groove, everything's down now. Once I tighten it up, it'll be hunky-dory. Alright, looks good to me.